Hi friends, welcome back. Okay, so anyway, that was a very short and sweet rhyme, right?
Yes. Okay, now we are there's 8 by 8 grid because in every side a chessboard have 8 by 8 grid. Here also it is 8. Every side it is 8. Then we have all the pieces like a knight, then bishop, then pawn.
You know, pawn are like the soldiers of the war,
Yeah.
right? Then we
Then-
have the bishop is like bishop can go diagonally and all.
Yes.
Then what
Yeah,
about the?
yeah. Then pawns can just move diagonally to capture.
Yeah,
but
now we
it-
can see a picture of the pawn and we can of the bishop. Now we can see a picture of the rook and the knight.
Yes.
And now we can see a picture of the queen and king.
Okay.
So the these are actually the main people who do the war with.
Yes. Now, like all of as living things move, even in chess we have different movements. Like every piece have different movements.
So before we go into that movements, let's go for a caller.
Yes.
Hello,
Hello,
hello. What's your name?
Ishan.
Ishan. Ishan, how are you, Ishan?
Fine.
Ishan. So which
Yeah.
grade are you in?
I'm in fifth.
I didn't hear you.
I'm in fifth grade.
Fifth grade. Okay.
Okay. Hi, Shal.
Hi.
How are you?
Fine.
You are in our own English High School.
Yeah.
Okay. Hi, Shal.
Hi.
Okay. Okay. Actually, she's my friend.
Okay, she's your friend.
Yes.
Okay, so which which grade is she in?
She's in 5. I actually.
Okay, she's also in fifth grade.
Yeah.
So Ishan, you know Shivananda?
Yes.
Okay. So is she your best friend or something like that?
Yeah. Last
Of
year we were
course.
best friends and we were in one class, but now we are separated.
Okay, now you're separated. Okay. So I don't know anything about her, so I'll ask her some questions.
Okay.
So what are your hobbies, Ishan?
Actually, the same hobbies that Shivananda has. It's like we both are interested in paper quilling.
Okay, even she's interested in paper quilling.
Yeah.
Okay. So first of all, let me get this right. What's her name actually? Ishan.
Ishal.
Ishal. Okay. So Ishal, do you have any siblings?
Yes.
What are their names and which grade are they? How old are they?
I have a small sister. She's in KG1, the same school.
Okay, what's her name?
Insha.
Minsha.
Insha.
Insha. Okay, Insha.
Yeah.
So you have one sister, right?
She's 5 years old.
She's 5 years old. Okay, so do you fight with her?
Kind of.
Kind of, who doesn't fight with their siblings around?
Yeah.
Okay, so Insha, no, actually.
Ishal.
So I am getting confused between you and your sister. So your sister is
Yeah.
watching the show right now?
Sorry?
Your sister is watching the show right now?
Yeah.
Okay, anyway, we'll tell a huge hi to her, right?
Hi.
Yeah.
Okay, hi Insha. And so what is Insha's favorite cartoons and what does she do to pass her time?
Sorry?
What does Insha do to pass her time?
She plays.
Plays with you, many things like that.
Yeah, she
Okay.
mostly go to parks.
Okay, so she mostly go to parks and all like that.
Yeah.
Okay, so anyway, let's head on to a game now.
Yes.
Yeah, of course.
Which one? Which one do you want to play?
She's new.
Quiz.
Okay,
general
anyway,
knowledge.
maybe I'll tell you the names of the games we have. Okay.
Okay.
We have GK questions, riddle questions, spelling game, connection game, atlas game, sentence making, dictionary and tongue twister. But from these games, in the starting, whoever picks one game, then that game is over actually.
Okay, so I'll go with GK questions.
Okay, you'll go with GK question.
Of course.
So Shivananda, why don't you ask her a GK question?
Yeah, sure. Okay. Okay. In which state was the first monorail inaugurated?
So in which
Monorail.
state? Yeah, monorail.
Monorail, you're
Yeah,
asking?
India's first monorail was inaugurated.
I know the answer, but I won't tell.
Okay. 1 minute.
She went to ask Insha the answer maybe.
In chess, small.
Yeah, she must be asking.
She'll be knowing this answer.
Who? Okay. So maybe you will learn this or something.
Yes, it was in our GK quiz.
Okay. So mostly, she'll be knowing this.
Yes.
So what do you and Isha will play?
Actually, we don't play anything in the break time. We come and talk, meet.
Okay, so you are like best friends, but separated.
Yeah.
Okay. So which is your, which is her favorite subject?
She was saying it was math, but after coming to grade 5, I don't know.
Okay. So in grade 5, I think changes maths and all gets a little bit tougher.
Yes.
Or algebraic expressions, it's a little bit tough.
It is tough.
Okay. Anyway, where is our Isha gone? Hello.
Hello?
Okay, I guess the call had got dropped.
Yeah.
Maybe she, by mistake, she cut the phone or something. No problem. Next time she call her, be careful. Be attentive and don't go anywhere else. And also, when you're calling, we should reduce the volume of the TV, right?
Yes.
Otherwise, I can't also understand what you're saying. You can't also understand what I'm saying. Nobody can understand anything. Okay, so anyway, we are talking about we're talking about chess, right?
Okay.
So chess has many, there are many, there is pawns, bishops, rooks, queen, then kings. So if I ask you, what is, which is the most powerful one actually?
Yeah, but before that, we have some advantages and disadvantages for everything. So
Yeah.
we'll just see how chess helps us.
Yeah, so now let's see how chess actually helps us. What are the advantages of chess actually?
Okay, it enhances your IQ. I mean,
Yeah,
your
it
thinking.
enhances our thinking level, and also people over 75 who play brain stretching games actually like chess are less likely to develop there are many memory diseases and all, right?
Yes.
Like dyslexia. So people who play chess and all, there will be no problem for them actually. So playing chess helps develop creativity by activating the right side of your brain. So actually the right side of your brain is for creativity. Did you
Yes.
know that, Shivananda?
I know that.
Yeah. So in the right side of our brain is actually for creativity, everything like that, and the left side of our brain is for memory, for studying, like that things. Right?
Yes, but same way, we all do exercises, right?
Yeah, we do exercises. Oh yeah, main exercise is playing.
Yeah, to make our body fit.
Yeah.
Same way, even chess helps us to exercise our brain.
Yeah, so actually, some people say that, studies is the food for their brains, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, like that, playing chess is the exercise for their, our brains.
Okay.
So many things like that about chess, right?
Yeah.
Chess is good to us in many ways.
Yeah, it improves our creativity.
Yeah, that is also one main point actually. So anyway, let's go for a caller now.
Yes.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello.
I guess.
Okay, I guess the call got dropped. So next time you call, don't forget to, first of all, stay awake. Actually, that is what.
Okay,
I
now
say.
let's go for a caller.
Let's go for another call. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. What's your name?
Hi.
Ayush.
Yeah.
Ayush, can you reduce the volume of your TV?
Hello.
Okay, could you reduce the volume of your TV?
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay. So Ayush, is this the first time you're calling me?
Yeah.
Okay,
I
Ayush.
just, I'm seeing your program in the TV. So I heard and I saw the number and called.
Okay. So, which grade are you in?
Huh?
Which grade are you in?
4th grade.
4th grade, okay. So, which school are you in?
Bhadivya Bhavan. From where is this program going on?
Okay, where is this program going on? So, actually, it's an NTV channel. You know NTV channel, right? You must have,
Yeah.
watching NTV and all.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so anyway, you told me you go to Bharat, which school do you go to?
Bhadivya Bhavan.
Okay, Bharat Vinda, so do you have any friends over there?
Yeah, I have.
Okay, so what are their names actually?
Asha Muhammad.
Okay, so many friends, right?
Yeah, I have.
Okay. Hi Ayush.
Hi.
Okay. Where is the school located?
Musafa.
Okay, it's in Abu Dhabi.
Hi.
Okay, see, first of all, Ayush, you listen to us in the TV, okay? No, actually
Yeah.
not in the TV. You listen to us in the phone. Don't listen to us in the TV. TV, your parents can watch your, I think you have a brother, so your brother or your sister can watch. So now you come away from the TV and you talk to us on the phone.
Brother.
Okay, so your brother. So I can hear your brother. So you,
Yeah.
you talk to us on the phone, okay? So you come away from the TV.
Okay, I went. Oh, one minute, my brother fell down.
Okay, okay.
Auntie, one more. Are you Malayalis?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes, we are.
Okay, so many disturbances happening there, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so next time, Ayush, next time you call me, right? Don't forget, don't forget to. Actually, you say attentive to the phone. You don't, search other things. Actually, you go to another room. That's the best thing, right?
Yes.
Then you can you see the TV. You can ask your parents how was the, how did I talk,
Yes.
So anyway, next time you call, and also turn the volume of the TV down because I can hear myself in the phone.
Even I can hear myself.
Okay, so anyway, we are talking about chess, right?
Yes.
Yeah, okay, so chess, as I told you, there are many advantages, but I don't think there are any disadvantages, right?
Yeah, no.
Yeah, there are no, I don't think there's there are disadvantages for playing chess.
Okay.
And, playing chess is mainly, I told you, Shivananda told us that it's, it's exercise for our brain.
Yes.
So what all is it, what else is it good for?
It is good for improving your creativity. It improves your concentration.
Okay, so it is very good, in improving our creativity, concentration, many things like that.
Yes.
So concentration, then we'll be able to spot things more faster, right?
Yeah, it is even said that the chess, right? Chess is like reading skills for us. It improves our reading skills.
So yeah, even chess improves our reading skills also. So anyway, let's go for a call now.
Okay. Hello.
Hello, what's your name?
I am the same caller who called you before.
Okay, it's Ayush itself. So Ayush, everything's okay right now?
Actually, I was going to answer, but then the line was off.
Okay, the line got cut then. So anyway, now everything is proper, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So anyway, Ayush, we are we are about to go. Let's go for a game now.
Yeah, actually, can you just ask Shivananda to repeat the question again?
Okay, so what were your question?
That I was asking that whether this school is located in Abu Dhabi.
Okay, so your school is located in Abu Dhabi, and what are your hobbies actually?
No, listen, actually, I am Ishal.
Okay.
Okay. So we totally got confused then. We thought it was the last caller who called us. That was Ayush.
Oh, sorry, actually.
Okay, it's Ishal.
Ishal, you want that GK question, right?
Yeah.
Okay. In India, which was the first monorail inaugurated? In which state was it inaugurated?
I'm not sure, but actually, I think I have learned it. And is it Maharashtra?
Yeah, Maharashtra, Mumbai.
So what is the
That's
answer?
it, right?
It's Mumbai.
It's Mumbai. So Maharashtra, Mumbai.
It's the right answer.
It is the correct answer. Don't worry.
Oh, thank you.
Okay. So anyway, Ishal, thank you for calling.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay. For a second, actually, I thought that was Ayush.
That was
Because Ayush, when I thought everything went quiet. Everything was quiet actually when he called. So that's why I thought that was Ayush. So anyway, we are talking about chess, right?
Yeah.
So chess, I told you there is a rook, there is a bishop, then pawns, king, queen, many things like that.
Yeah.
So actually, I told you the player actually when you're playing the game. So how do you win this game actually, Shivananda?
Actually, the target of the game is to checkmate the other king. It means when the other king is in a position to be captured, it's called check in this chess, and cannot escape.
Okay. So now I'll ask you. We'll ask them a question.
Yes.
Who was the chess champion of 2014 actually? So the next time, if we have one more caller, then we'll ask them, okay?
Okay.
And if they know the answer, otherwise, at the end of the show, we'll be telling the answer.
No, let them tell tomorrow.
Okay, then we'll make it for tomorrow then.
Okay.
So now we have a caller. We'll ask our caller, if he knows the answer.
Okay.
So hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
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 Hi.
Hello. What's your name?
Adarsh.
I can't hear you.
My name is Adarsh.
Adarsh.
Yes.
Adarsh, which grade are you in?
I am in 9th.
You're in 9th.
Yes.
Okay, Adarsh, where are you calling from?
I'm calling from Dubai.
From Dubai. Okay. So, Adarsh, you told. So, what do you do actually?
I am in school. I just came from. So I was watching Kiddo Kids.
Okay, so you're just watching Kiddo Kids, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So,
No, I have a very deep voice.
Okay, so you were watching Kiddo Kids, then you understood that you had a feeling to call.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, so do you have any siblings?
No, I'm an only child.
Okay, you're the only child. So, who do you have, fun with actually?
I'm sorry.
Who do you, do you have any best friends, anybody near
Yeah,
you?
I have best friends. I
Okay,
do.
so, so what do you play actually?
I play a lot of computer games.
Okay, computer games. So, you play a lot of computer games. So, most of the time, maybe you play video games and all.
I'm sorry, I can't hear you.
Most of the times, you play video games then.
Exactly, yes.
Okay. So, anyway, which game do you want to play?
What other games do you have?
Now actually, our GK is over, riddle is over. We have spelling game, connection game, sentence making, and dictionary.
Give me spelling games.
Spelling game. Okay, so we'll give him a spelling game then.
Yeah.
So, why don't you ask him spelling?
Okay. Tell me the spelling of encyclopedia.
ENCYCLOPEDIA.
Is this the correct answer?
Yeah, it is the correct
Yes,
answer.
it is the correct answer.
Thank you. And which school are you guys studying in?
I am studying in Arun English High School, Boys Branch, Sharjah.
In Sharjah.
Yeah.
I'm in
And what
Arun
about-
English High School, Dubai Girls.
Okay, that's nice.
Okay.
I'm in Indian high school.
You're in Indian high school. Okay. I have many friends in Indian high school actually. But nobody 9th grade.
Okay.
Okay. Anyway, thank you for calling.
For calling, take care.
Bye.
Bye. Okay.
Okay. So anyway, that was Adarsh who called us, and he's actually 9th grader.
Yeah.
Okay. So anyway, now it's a winding up time, right?
Yes, I
So-
feel sad.
Yeah, now it's we only get 1 hour to do the show. So even I wish it was like 2-3 hours, something like that, right?
Yeah.
So anyway, we'll meet all our guests tomorrow also, right?
Yes.
So anyway, today also was a very wonderful day, but in the morning it's really stormy nowadays, right?
Yeah.
The sandstorms and there's a breeze. Very actually in my building actually there was a big tree. Okay, there was a very big tree in the pot, and that actually not a pot, a vase, kind of very big vase. That whole thing fell, and the whole sand was on the floor, everything. And in my building down floor actually.
Yeah,
So it
okay.
became a big mess today. So did you
Yeah,
feel all
same way.
this?
When I went down to take my bus, the sand was full over that.
Yeah, so the sand was covering the whole place actually. So anyway, I wish the weather gets calmer actually. So anyway, we'll meet all our guests tomorrow also, right? So until then, I'm Elvin
I'm Shivananta.
signing off.